Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for not subscribing. All the people that watch my channel that don't subscribe, but you still give me views. Thanks a lot. Today what I want to do is a quick MacGyver hack that I came up with for plumbers. Normally plumbers, you know, they deal with water, they deal with wet situations, dirty situations, and you don't want to screw up your nice Husky bag or Milwaukee bag if you choose to use the soft cases. So a good alternative is get yourself a little painter's bucket, whatever kind of bucket. It could be a 5-gallon bucket, doesn't matter. When you throw your tools in here, they're all over the goddamn place, right? So here's my fix for that. Get yourself some PVC pipe, 2-inch thick, tape measure, cutting tool, and a little box of self-tappers. Self-tappers means the screw will generate the hole on its own, and voila, good to go. And a trusty drill. You can use a screwdriver if you want it. 6-in-1 works fine, but I'm gonna use the drill. So all these supplies we're gonna fit in this bucket, organized. So again, measure your bucket depth or height, 7.5 inches, what we got. You can mark it if you want or just eyeball it. What you do is you make a quick little cut or a scribe of your 7.5 inch mark. Saw it. There you go. Take your pipe. Get some of the self-tappers. Put your pipe in the bucket. What you want to do is find out where your handle rides. So you don't want to put it, you don't want to put your tube here if you have taller tools, because it's going to hit your handle. So make sure your tool's clear. Obviously they should. And I am putting 3 self-tappers in there, just to make sure. And you want to put them at the highest point possible, because you still want to utilize your bucket when you want to drain your supply lines or whatever else water you want to get in there. So it's pretty simple. So we're just going to go ahead and call this Warlan's Bucket Buddy Organizer. So now, there's your handle. So you got your pipe wrench. Oops. Pipe wrench goes there. Channel locks. Depends what you carry. A couple cans of piped up, what a plumber's putty and piped up. Got 2 of that. You carry, I carry the Milwaukee utility blade, so it already has a clip. Good to go. Good old crescent wrench. Your flashlight. Wow, almost lost a finger there. So again, you're welcome to the comedy show. So now you have an organized bucket for whatever tools you want in there. Nice and organized. Handle works great. I lied. Handle does not work great. Okay. There you have it, nice and organized. And you can still utilize your bucket if you need to drain a supply line. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this is a fun, cool tip for you. You guys enjoy your day. Stay tuned.